Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Malwarebytes and remove premium trial access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Malwarebytes and remove premium trial access, begin by closing the Malwarebytes application. Locate the Malwarebytes icon in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. Right-click on the icon and select Quit Malwarebytes to ensure it is not running. Next, open the control panel by searching for it in the Start menu. In the control panel, click on Programs or Programs and Features. Find Malwarebytes in the list of installed programs. Click on Malwarebytes to highlight it. Select the Uninstall button that appears above the list. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you want to proceed with the uninstallation. Click Yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. Once uninstalled, navigate to the Malwarebytes installation directory on your computer. Usually, this directory is located in c:\program files/malwarebytes or c:\program files, x86. Next, it's important to remove any leftover files and registry entries. To do this, type regedit in the Windows search bar to open the registry editor. Be careful when navigating in the registry editor. Search for Malwarebytes in the registry editor and delete any related entries. Next, open File Explorer and go to the AppData directory. You can access it by typing %appdata% in the address bar. Check both the roaming and local folders for any remaining Malwarebytes files. Delete those files if you find any. Finally, restart your computer to complete the removal process. After rebooting, verify that Malwarebytes is completely uninstalled by checking the list of installed programs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.